Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 18.3 stuck on update requested. Here are proven solutions. When iOS 18 says update requested, it means that your iPhone or iPad has successfully initiated the process to download the update, but it is waiting in line to start the actual download and installation. We can solve this issue by following ways. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Trying the following ways can help you solve your iOS update requested issue. So for the first step, restart your iPhone. The first solution is to try force restarting your device. This will refresh things that may help you start downloading iOS 18.3 update. The steps to force restart differ based on the iPhone model you own. For this, you can check network and restart network settings. Since network connectivity could be responsible for the problem, checking your network settings is important. Here's what you can do to verify your network connectivity. Go to the settings app on your device, tap on Wi-Fi to connect your device to an available Wi-Fi network, and you're done. Next step is clearing up storage space. The update process will not work correctly if you do not have sufficient space on your iPhone. To resolve this, you must delete unnecessary apps, photos, videos, music and files, freeing up around 6 to 7 gigabytes of storage. To fix update requested iOS 18.3. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to force quit settings app. If you are still stuck and iPhone says update requested, try force quitting the settings app. To do this, open the recent apps menu and swipe up on the settings app. Wait a minute, then reopen the app to check for progress. And you're done. Now I'm going to tell you how to delete the iOS file and try again. Sometimes a corrupt iOS file may be causing the update requested issue. To address this, follow these steps. Launch the settings app. Go to General section. Go to iPhone storage. Check your iPhone storage to see if any file named iOS 18.3 exists. If you find it, delete it and restart downloading iOS 18.3 profile on your iPhone. And you're done. I hope this video will help you fix iOS 18.3 stuck on update requested issue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.